StockPulse newsroom here. Yeah, talking to Tocvan Ventures. That's TOC on the CSE, TSVNF on the OTC markets in the States here, working in Sonora, Mexico at the Pilar Project. We've got the CEO, Brodie Sutherland, here. So, Brodie, I appreciate you taking the time here. I want to dig into the latest results you've had. Before we do, maybe we'll back up and let you tell everyone about the company and then maybe how your 21 went.
Sounds good. Yeah. Thanks for taking the time, Rob. Really the background on the company, we formed it in 2019 on the premise of a downturn in the gold market. Leading up to that, we knew there was a lot of opportunity out there for good quality projects that just weren't being moved forward currently. So we were able to identify that in Pilar in Sonora, Mexico. And with that, over the last 2 years, we built a team down there. And I've been able to look at other projects and other opportunities. And we found another one called El Picacho, which we think has a lot of potential to it. And the more time we spend in Sonora, the more we love it.
Yeah, let's get into how much you love it, I guess. Take us in kind of a rough year last year, I think, for a lot of the equities. A lot of work got done, but maybe not a lot of market respect. But the show goes on. So talk about the work being done today. And you had some results here from Pilar. So I guess maybe get into that, and then let's talk about how we're going to attack 22.
Sounds good. Yeah, over the last year, we started drilling at Pilar in 2020, and Pilar is quite unique. It had seen over 17,000 meters of drilling on it. And we knew there was a lot of opportunity to expand on it. So we started drilling late 2020. Those results came out early 2021. And right off the bat, we drilled some of the biggest intercepts ever drilled on the property, 94 meters at 1.6 grams per ton, oxide gold with some high-grade intercepts within that. So very encouraging. And off of that, we were able to build, and really we saw our share price move from 15 cents to over $1.50 in 2021. And over the last 8 months, I think the gold market in its entirety has seen, that sentiment towards gold start to fade a bit as people are a bit uncertain on what's going on, globally in terms of with the war breaking out and a lot of uncertainty associated with COVID. But, we are very bullish on gold, and we feel that, it has a lot of strength to it going forward. And, we've kind of used that momentum to build into a drill program this year. And with that, we've been successful again in identifying near surface oxide gold. In hole 58, we were able to drill 33 meters at 0.63 grams per ton gold. And, in this region, that is economic. And within that, there was a 21.7 meter zone that was just over 0.9 grams per ton gold, and with a bit of higher grade again at the center of that. So very encouraging to see that. And, we have more drill results to come.
Yeah. So I guess let's unpack the year here. Waiting for more results here. Of course, investors like that. That's what they're here for. The romance of you looking for that hidden treasure here, Brodie. But to talk about how you're going to get through later in the year after these results come out. What else is the game plan here?
Yeah. So at Pilar, it's to evaluate these results, plan some additional drilling. We still have several targets to follow up on our 4T trend. There's a new vein zone that we've highlighted that we want to drill some fence lines on. So there's quite a bit still to do at Pilar in that regard. We are working on some metallurgy currently at Pilar as well, and we'll see those results come out over the next month or so. And as we kind of build into the fall of 2022, really all the preparations we're doing at Pilar is to build into a follow-up drill program in the fall there we've hit on so far. And at the same time, we've got El Picacho, which is a new acquisition for us. Our work has been very limited so far, but, we've got over 24 square kilometers prospective area to cover. We're only 18 kilometers away from the San Francisco open pit mine. That's gold and silver. quite substantial mine there. So we have the same geology, exact same structure that it's hosted on at San Francisco. And we feel that that project has a lot of merit to it and a lot of strength going forward. So we'll be spending some time on the ground here in the near term and moving that towards drill targeting and by the end of the year, and see what we can do there as well. But definitely have a 1-2 punch in Mexico, and we're very happy to be there.
Okay, a lot to pay attention to. We'll keep our eye on the wire. Appreciate the update again. Brodie Sutherland, he's the president, CEO, Tocvan Ventures Corp, TOC on the CSE, TCVNF on the OTC markets in the States. Again, Brodie, appreciate the update, and we'll check back in when you hit the wire again.
Sounds good. Thanks, Rob.